Hello, welcome back to The Broken Doll. I am up here in my attic and just letting you know, just let you see what my attic is like up here and all my bins with dolls in it still. These are just bins and bins and bins with dolls. I'm going to bring one down with me right now. I've got my lantern here, so I'm going to swing it downward. This is just to show, let me get my light, sorry I forgot. But this is just some of my dolls are back. I got some dolls back in there. These are just more bins right here. Like, I'm packed full of just bins of dolls. Just if I'll open up a lid here. Here, I'll put this down and just let you see. I don't know if you can see or not. Oh, come on. Just there we go. Maybe you can't see inside. Let me get the light up here. There we are. Dolls. Just dolls in there. Yeah, I'm not in need of dolls. I have dolls galore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk backwards here. I'm going to put this, there's an old buggy right there. I've got a high chair. We used to call that the big boy chair, the big girl chair, though it was a high chair. Okay, I'm going to put you on my wrist. I'm going to use the wrist. I'm going to double it. Oh, I can't do that. No. Okay. And we're going to, oops, I'm going to knock you around. You're going to hear me. You're going to see things. Oh, I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to go through this bin, and this bin is going to stay downstairs now and put pressure on me to get these dolls done. So this is a real knock around. Okay, I should wear that. Coming for the ride of the century here. I got stuff in the middle. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're coming through. Coming through. Oh, I'm going to shoot. Oh, my cat's up here. Come on, you. Get down. You get down. There you go. Yeah, she likes to get up here. Once I open this on a regular base, you'll have some place to come up and just have some fun to look around. But right now, it doesn't keep the same temperature as my shop does. It is warmer than it used to be. Okay, now I gotta get this thing pushed back, my stair. I was trying to stop it from coming up, but it didn't work. Oh, there we go. Hang on, everybody. Yeah, there we go. Got it. Okay. There we go. All right, bringing this down. All right. Oh, there goes my lantern. Let's put this over there. Oh, can it go over there? Stuff is just piled on top of stuff. There we go. All right, we're doing good. May not sound like we are. All right, let me get my lantern here, everybody. Hang on. I lost my lantern. There we go. Okay. Now, don't dismay. This is not doll stuff. Whoops, we're upside down. This is not doll stuff. This is all Christmas, 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 and other holidays as well. It's all Halloween, you name it. That's what it is. But that back there is just doll world back there. I've got stuff that I'd love to have down here. I just can't right now until I get these dolls done. Okay, I'll shut the light off. There we go. And now we're going to come down the stairs with all this lovely stuff. So I'm going to shut you off now, and I'm going to bring you back in a few minutes and show you what was in this container.